everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be guiding you through how you can cancel your FNBO credit card. There are two different ways you can cancel your FNBO credit card. So let us go ahead and get through it one by one. The first method I'm going to show you is by phone. First of all, open a web browser and then go to the URL box and type in fnbo.com, and this will take you to the official website for First National Bank of Omaha. From the main official website, go ahead and click on the phone call icon at the top right, and this will then open up the Contact Us tab. Inside the Contact Us tab, you will be presented with the list of phone numbers. Go ahead and click one of the phone numbers depending on the account type you are using for the bank. And as a credit card customer, you can go ahead and select the credit card customer service option inside your account's type and then make a phone call on the particular number. Soon after you do that, be prepared to answer some security questions to verify your identity, and make sure to mention that you'd like to cancel your credit card to the dedicated customer service representative. While canceling your credit card balance, make sure you've paid off your entire credit card balance before closure. You can use any reward points or miles before closing the account, as they might be forfeited. After cancellation, monitor your credit report to confirm the account closure is reflected accurately. So that was one method you can use to cancel your credit card for FNBO. Now another method you can use is by directly visiting the nearest FNBO branch, and a customer service representative can assist you with the cancellation process in person. So that's how you can easily cancel your FNBO credit card. If you found the video to be helpful at all, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.